물맞추기. Today we will cook rice without rice cooker. As you know, most Korean foods come with rice, and all the Koreans have rice cooker at home, but you don't have to give up just because you have no rice cooker. If you follow my recipe, you can cook rice very easily. Let's try it today. There are various kinds of rice, and Korean rice is a kind of short grain like this. If you go to a grocery store, you better buy short grain rice or medium grain rice. This is ideal for Korean foods and Japanese sushi. They are sticky and cling together when cooked. You need a pot with a lid like this. If the pot is too small, you might have some troubles, especially when the rice boils over. You will need 2 cups of rice today. 1 cup and 2 cups. 2 cups are enough for 4 people. Okay, we will rinse the rice 3 times to remove the starch. You just use your hands, or you can use spatula or something like that, and then you throw away the water. Second time and third time. This is the last. Now this is the measuring part. Measuring is kind of tricky, but it's not that difficult. You will use your index finger to measure the water height, and then you put it in the water. It's almost your first knuckle of your index finger. Sometimes it's like the thickness is like your hand, like this, or your knuckle. Another way of measuring. When you use 2 cups rice, you need 2 cups water plus 3/4 of water. If you use 1 cup of rice, you need 1 cup of water plus 3/4 of water. The ratio is always 1:1, but you have to add 3/4 of water, considering the evaporation of water. Now it's time for soaking. Soak the rice for 20 or 30 minutes. Then the rice will absorb the water, so you will speed the cooking time. 20 minutes is over, so we will cook rice. In the beginning, you boil the rice and water without the lid on. In this way, you will never miss the moment the water boils over. Keep watching it. Like this, when it almost boils over, you remove the heat and then put the lid on, and then you will wait for 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes passed. Cover the pot and cook for 10 minutes over a very low heat. The heat source is various and the thickness of the pot is all different. So, the ideal cooking time could be different. You better be careful not to scorch the pot. 10 minutes passed. Now you remove the pot from the heat and let it rest for 10 more minutes. Now you waited 10 more minutes, so it's time to open the lid. See, it's beautifully done. You fluff rice with fork or rice paddle. Otherwise, the steam will make the grains cling together. If the rice is very dry or you like very tender texture, you will need to add more water than the standard. One more tip for you. If you let it in the room temperature, rice can easily go bad. So I put the cooked rice in small zip bags like this and store them in the freezer, not refrigerator. Next time you want to eat something with rice, you just warm the frozen rice in the microwave for 2 minutes or more.